First, you can watch me juggle my computer and my microphone because I want to use my visual aid. So, yes, I'm wearing pants. And here I go. Here is my microphone. Oh no, don't break anything. Don't disconnect. All right. Oh, that was exciting. So let me first remind you we are in Manaba, and there is a third reading and writing assignment in progress. And no, it is a challenge. Which one do you think is more important, 1 page or 800 word? One page or 800 word? I'll give you a hint, 800 words. Now, because I want you to be able to read and understand quickly my chalkboards, most of my sentences are simple. Now, this is a paragraph. It's only 38 words. So that means 800 words, I have to make around 20 paragraphs. I won't lie to you. It is a challenge. It's not easy. This is Kagoshima National University. It's not Kagoshima Easy University. So, I will talk and chalk at the same time, and I'm pretty sure that my microphone picks it up pretty well because I've done it before. But I will talk as I'm chalking, and then I will read. So you two times, no. Okay. You must plan your writing. Eight 800 words. You must plan your writing. 800 words is a long story. Can you keep? No? My map, simple but powerful. I will talk around the article. Now, I read it 3 times to get the full understanding. Now, you know I'm a reader. So now, anger. So in my introduction paragraph, I read and I read an article that's made me very angry. Now, my topic, this will be my topic. Now, honestly, it's in the gray zone of almost stimulating the devil's cocktail. Sometimes, especially in your introduction paragraph and supporting paragraph now for your introduction, stimulating the devil's cocktail is not bad. Because you're telling your story about your strong emotion. In the introduction, and now in a 4-paragraph or a 6-paragraph mini essay letter, your introduction paragraph is very simple. It's 1 paragraph. But still, the next paragraphs, their main job is to explain the new vocabulary. If there's new vocabulary that you're introducing to your readers that you want them to understand, it's special, then you explain it. Or you use the support paragraphs to explain your point. Why am I angry? So this is the first box in my outline. Now, writing my paper, this would be my guide for my first 3 paragraphs. From 1 word, 2 sentences, 3-paragraph guide. Mind map and outline. You have to write so much. And it doesn't matter English or Japanese. You're communicating your stories. You're establishing a narrative. You need to plan. At first, again, honest teacher telling you, at first it ain't easy. This ain't high school. You can't rely on your memory power. You know a little now from people I respect as experts in communication. Our short-term memories are terrible. Mine too. I'm not pretending. I'm not Japanese. So the familiarity of your pronunciation of your names is a challenge for me sometimes. So if you watch the videos, you see I stumble over name pronunciation. Even though I say the name, I hear the speaker say their name, 5 minutes later, I forgot. And my memory power is pretty good. Now, why am I taking a little bit of time to say this? Because making a simple mind map and keeping it around you as you're writing and making an outline. You know, if you write 50, 60, 70 word paragraphs, again, you know, you're going from 15 paragraphs to 12 paragraphs to 10 paragraphs, maybe. Remember, you make too complex a sentence, I forget what you're writing about before you get to the end of the sentence, and that stimulates my devil's cocktail and Larkin Sensei is human. No, I don't like this writing, so I give them a bad grade. I'm trying to help. My only goal is to help you improve your communication skills. So mind map and outline. Because this is not your final challenge. Your final challenge is bigger. And, well, I don't want to say anything about any professor, but I know that in January, surprise, suddenly you have to write, 1,000 character or 1,500, 1,500 character final report. And the professor is sharpening the katana, and you go, how? What do I do? And the professor just says, do it. Because you're my students and you are listening to me and following, you know the secret sauce. So you read, you gather the information that you have to base your essay on. You collate the information, and then you draft, edit, and then make your final draft. And you get a better GPA. And we all live happily ever after. The end of my story. So, ladies and gentlemen, be safe out there. 2 of your classmates are sick enough that they sent me email. Larkin Sensei, I am ill. COVID has not gone away. Be careful out there, please. I was riding on JR train, and there were a group of young people, male and female, oh my God, no masks. One of them was coughing. So be careful. I will see you next Thursday. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a good week. And goodbye.